Hello, everybody. This is Meghalay Senthilkumar from LocalBizNetwork, and today's video topic is how to write excellent product descriptions for e-commerce websites.
Compelling content is very important for e-commerce product descriptions. First, to educate the buyer and then entice him to buy. Sometimes some websites do the mistake of just giving the bare essentials alone and leave out important facts. That's when a prospective buyer decides to surf more and moves on to your competitors. In today's video, I'm going to detail out the steps required to come up with a foolproof, well-crafted content which will surely lead to conversions. Before you set out writing the description, make sure you do this first. First point is list out all the possible product description in an Excel file. For example, if you're writing for an easy chair, then you must be listing out apart from price, dimensions, material, cushion specs, features of the easy chair, the degrees it can be pushed backwards, how easy it is for a person to operate himself, how easy it is for him to get up from the easy chair, the available colors, seller information, manufacturing date, warranty, spare parts availability, and so on. The next step is go to your competitor and research their descriptions. Make sure you write down all the gaps they have in their description and make sure you fill up those gaps in yours. The third step is to draft your content by using transactional keywords. You all must have heard of the phrase search intent. A searcher's goals are different. It may be informational, navigational, or transactional. A transactional search intent are the users actually looking to buy a product. So your content must have the right keywords, which is transactional in nature. For example, the key phrase long lasting liquid foundation, when typed on Google, throws up the first 8 pages of e-commerce websites. So what you need to do is come up with transactional keywords for all your products and make sure you use them on your product descriptions. You can use a tool like SEMrush, keyword magic tool, to get this task done faster. The fourth point is craft a good heading. Catchy but not too fancy. With your headings written, you can include your transactional keywords in the details about your product as well as in the product description to make it rank and convert. What people look for first depends upon the product. This is the fifth point. For example, a person who is buying a mobile phone looks for features first. But on the contrary, a person who is signing up for a digital marketing package will look for benefits, what he gets for the buck he spends. So make sure you write the content with features or benefits written first depending upon the product. The sixth point is creativity always pays, and taglines which attract the buyer not only helps to convert but also retains in his memory for a long time. Like the wonderful tagline for Casper mattress, the best bed for better sleep, and for Hero Honda mobiles, this was like 2 decades ago, fill it, shut it and forget it. Or the tagline for Travelocity, wander wisely. So get a tagline written for your products as well. Do you know the 4 C's for copywriting? I've come to the 7th point now. Adopt it for writing product descriptions as well. The 4 C's, which are clarity, being concise, compelling, and credible. Clarity, clear, easy to understand copy. Concise, no one wants to read pages and pages. Brief yet descriptive will work. Compelling, your copy should be enticing enough for people to buy your product. Credible, make sure the info is real and truthful and avoid using hyperboles. Now we come to the 8th point, add a how-to section with supporting diagrams. For example, how to assemble the folding wheelchair, how to download and install a software, how to start using the one-pot, one-shot device, how to home wash the lace draperies, and so on. This section is very important for you to make the conversion. The 9th point is make sure you add product reviews on your product page. It really matters how other users feel after buying your product for the prospective buyer. And you can add video testimonials as well. And the last point is add shipping delivery charges as well as the refund specs. They need to know about all this well beforehand before they actually convert. Now that you have crafted the best content for your shopping page, users will be satisfied that you have answered all the queries, which will result in the next exciting step, which is add to cart and proceed to pay.
Thanks for listening. And if you're looking for content writers for your e-commerce website, please write to us at info@localbiznetwork.com. Do like and share this video, and if you are on YouTube, do check out our other videos as well. Have a lovely day.